reporting out of 1999 present. Candidate.
And because reporting out of 16, 15 present, none are leave. I know. Candidate.
10 figures attention. 10 figures reporting out of 1970 lakh present. Standard is
10 figures attention. 10 figures reporting out of 2020 are present. Stand please.
School attention. Flag salute. Order. School ready for the stand up, stand up, stand up.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind!
Good morning. Good morning to all of you. Myself Smith Dharmesh Chaudhary from class 10. Today I am going to take quiz on science, based on science. My first question is for girls. How many chambers do a heart have? Heart. Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is 4. My second question is for boys. Voltmeter is connected in which type of combination? Harsh? Your answer is correct. The correct answer is parallel. My third question is for girls. Which non-metal shows lustrous property? Your answer is wrong. This question is passed to boys. Ekans. Your answer is correct. The correct answer is iodine. My fourth question is for boys. An electric motor converts electrical energy into Harsh.
Mechanical energy.
Your answer is correct. The correct answer is mechanical energy. My last question is for all. Name the law which defines heating effect of electric current. Ekans.
Joule's law of heating.
Your answer is correct. The correct answer is Joule's law of heating. Thank you. Have a nice day.
जो सम्मान्य प्राचार्य महोदय, विद्वान साथी मित्रों और प्यारे बच्चों, आप सब जानते हैं आज हमारे स्कूल का 10th क्लास का ये आखिरी दिन है। आप सब आज इस विद्यालय को छोड़ के जाने वाले हैं। फिर उसके बाद जिसका भी 10th होने के बाद यहाँ साइंस स्ट्रीम में जो भी सिलेक्ट बच्चे होंगे वो वापस आएंगे। लेकिन ये लम्हा जो है आपके लिए बहुत इमोशनल वाला है। हम चाहते हैं आप घर भी जाए, सुरक्षित रहे, घर के अंदर रहे और अच्छे रहे। हमारे विद्यालय के हर स्टाफ आपकी हमेशा चिंता करते हैं, करते रहेंगे। हमारी प्रिंसिपल मैडम भी हमेशा आपकी चिंता करती है, आपके बारे में हमेशा सोचते हैं कि बच्चे कैसे आगे बढ़े, कैसे अच्छे रहे, ध्यान दिया है। इसलिए आपको मैं कुछ सूचनाएं देना चाहता हूँ। आज आप सबको घर जाना है, लेकिन आपको यहाँ जो है आपका सामान यहाँ रोड के साइड पे आप रख सकते हैं। जब आपका पेरेंट्स बाहर हो, चौकीदार वहाँ से आवाज देगा तो आप अपना सामान लेके वहाँ आपको मूवमेंट रजिस्टर रखा।
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, मेरे विद्वान साथियों, प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि सरैया सर ने बता दिया है कि आप लोग आज जाने वाले हैं। आशा है कि आपने जो इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया था कल मैंने वो सब जमा कर दिया है। A to Z सामान जमा कर दो बेटा, क्योंकि बीच में जो है बंद रहेगा आप और लॉक खोला नहीं जाएगा हॉस्टल का। हाँ, बीच में कोई भी चीज छूटे ना। लाइट, फैन, नल वगैरह सब देख लो। वैसे मैं देखूंगी, लेकिन एक बार आप सब चेक कर लीजिए, नहीं तो पानी बर्बाद होना और बिजली फालतू का न निकले। अपने घर और परिवार की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी थोड़ी बहुत आपकी भी है, इस बात का जरूर ध्यान रखें और खूब एंजॉय करिए बेटा। टीवी देखिए, खुश रहिए। अपनी जो हॉबीज है उसको आप डेवलप कर सकते हैं। जो भी आपको शौक है इससे में पूरा कर सकते हैं। गार्डनिंग कर सकते हैं, सिलाई कढ़ाई वगैरह हो तो वो सब करें। मैथ्स वगैरह जो भी आपको सब्जेक्ट अच्छा लगता है उसमें आपके पास तो अब मोबाइल भी रहेगा, उससे नई नई जानकारी इकट्ठा करके संचित करके रखिए। विशेषकर साइंस वाले जो भी बच्चे आएंगे तो उनके पास बहुत सारा मटेरियल होना चाहिए आगे के एजुकेशन के लिए। इस बात का ध्यान रखें, छोटे भाई बहनों का भी ध्यान रखें। और ये जो निर्देश दिए गए कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, मास्क पहनना और सैनिटाइज करना अपने को, ये बिल्कुल भूलिए मत जब तक कोरोना खत्म नहीं होता तब तक हैं। और सभी अपने बच्चों का और अपने भाई बहनों का इसका ध्यान रखेंगे और खूब अच्छी तरह रहेंगे। हम लोगों से कांटेक्ट बराबर करते रहिएगा। अच्छी अच्छी खबरें देते रहिएगा और आपने क्या क्या किया है अच्छा कार्य वो भी बताते रहिएगा। हमेशा जुड़े रहेंगे, सारा स्टाफ आपसे जुड़े रहेगा। आप ग्रुप में भले ही आप स्कूल्स में न आए लेकिन आप ग्रुप में जुड़े रहिएगा और हम लोगों को अपनी खुशखबरी वगैरह देते रहिएगा। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं 2 शब्द समाप्त करती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
बच्चों सुप्रभात। कई लोगों का सामान अभी बाकी है, जो वेटिंग लिस्ट वाले आए थे।
And my staff faculty members, how are you? It has become a habit while addressing the assembly, how are you? Because it is, that means I'm taking care of you. You are fine in your health? Very happy? I know. Yesterday onwards I am seeing you laughing louder, morning coming and submitting all your dues. On Friday, I have told you Monday the study was disturbed. I told you the things are going very fast. Once the information comes, I will inform you immediately. So I have not talked with any of my children officially. I hope I will talk to you officially in the right way of assembly platform. On 14th, CBSE, because of the I was making you alert, the situation is very alarming. In JNV Valsad or any staff faculty has not given any stress or tension till this moment. I am going to give you back to your parents as a healthy children. So out of my heart, in the outset itself, I congratulate and thank you very much taking care of yourself, taking care of the Vidyalaya. Then 14th, because of this, the CBSE has cancelled the examination for 10th. The message was running. Even our Prime Minister has directly declared on news channel. There was a high-level core committee meeting with all the education minister and education officers. By 2:20, the matter came out that because of this pandemic situation, 10th class of CBSE has been cancelled. Okay? But we could not get any official information from our regional office. Almost 5 o'clock, there was WhatsApp message, because most probably unless and until it is specifically tell, I know your hard work in this pandemic, a historical teaching and thing. Nobody will forget 2021, how you swimmed, attending the virtual classes, how teachers were in difficulty talking to you, taking classes over phone. Everything was a first experience where technology advanced than the manual power. So you were there for 10 months. We could not contact you. But suddenly, by February 8th, 6th, the decision was taken to call the board. I could able to tell and feel everybody. JNV Valsad is in that way very lucky this year, because you were the first batch. There was no question of 12th retention or anything. Still we are lucky. Otherwise, a child is getting a COVID immediately. All the essential staffs, mess, staff nurse as well. If you take the positive things, some of the things we have to sacrifice. Even I know near about 20% of the present batch, provided with the final chance of CBSE examination, certainly we could have touched another level of result analysis. No problem for you. Now we have sent 14th itself. We were acting within hours, 6 hours, 24 hours. A high-level meeting has been conducted. We have been asked to send your 9th annual examination marks. Then this year, PWT 1, 2, 3, PB 1, 2 and the practice examination. These 6 examinations. All your results has been sent in the portal by 15th itself. And now the official declaration, we know that since nobody has failed, that is why I declared only 100%. What is your rank? The CBSE with a specific criterion objective, after computing all these 7 exams put together, will declare your final result. When? I don't know. So wait for that result. Even some of the school I have taken your choice. I am very happy to see that 70 of you want to come back taking a science stream. JNB Valsad has sanctioned a science stream. There are other 2 schools, Amreli and Anand has got, but it is not required that even Navasari has got humanities. Tomorrow what it happens, it is very, very indefinite. So as per the direction of the Samiti, you have to score English this much, Maths this much, and Science this much, and Maths and together this much, and overall. All these 4 categories, marks will be computed. As per to that, depending upon the CBSE result, the first 40 merit list will be prepared and displayed and it will be announced. Then those who are come that category, you will be informed. You will be called and you will be readmitted. Okay? Okay? I think I am completing the year queries now without asking. Then as Dabi sir, I take this opportunity. My dear most children, you are very, very dear and near to me. It is a very, very touching and a very historical and memorable experience to me to interact with you. I thank God at least February 8th, March 8th, almost 70 days you are here. You have been very, very lucky batch. Don't think what you lost. You have lost less, but you have gained your result, you have gained your health. Okay? ईश्वर को सदैव कंप्लेन नहीं करो, थैंक्स करते ही रहो. Okay? So we are healthy and 100% result is ensured. No worry for that. Those who are slow learners, you have been very much cooperative and very, very respectable to me, so that I never had any complaint with my children. As a teacher, basically, it's my habit. I could have not told again, I told, "Oo chala, jala de danga," aisa nahi hai. Please, you can call. And now we have called the your exchange of book because your juniors have, because study Vidyalaya is like that. If we leave, somebody will come. That will leave, it is something. Educational process is going on. We must always have welfare means with us for the others also. Okay, so don't keep in touch with the other. We have already given instruction to everybody. This will go on one side. This is not the right time to go shake hands and hug. Even if they are all your family members, don't meet in the campus because we have to be here even during vacation. Okay? So, I know that the way you have come on, you are very, very, immediately it only 2 children for medical science. Otherwise, that day itself, you see the Valsad records, daily reporting, 100%. 100. That day DC sir came in front of you as, how many children? No sir, my children are, my staff is like that. Nobody is absent. So that is the right. If we take the good things and absorb, if I am not helping you, or X or Y is not helping you, your hard work, your sincerity will be awarded, Again, I hope all of you will get a distinction alone. Okay? I congratulate you for your first taking care of your health, not disturbing us, and for 100% pass. I am sure about for your good character and behavior, we will have 100% distinction. Okay? So on my part, very simple. Your dears and nears. Okay? Whether you are here, Navodaya, or IIT, or JEE, wherever you want, never think for second position. That is my final appeal to you. Always think for first position. Okay? This is from my part. This is my congratulation and a small sweet for all my dear children and staff. You also with your hands to your feet. First you distribute yourself.
महोदय, मेरे सभी विद्वान साथी, प्यारे बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। मुझे असेंबली के पहले बहुत अच्छा आके मिले सर, आपको एक गाना गाना है। तो बच्चों, आज जाते जाते एक गाना आपके लिए और आपको मैं आपके भावी जीवन के लिए मैं शुभकामना देता हूँ और सभी हेल्दी रहे, अच्छे रहे। ये शुभकामनाओं के साथ एक गाना आपके लिए। कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ खोकर पाना है, जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है। दो पल के जीवन से एक उम्र चुरानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं।
Position, top results. All right? All right? So, rightly that Rahuls are very emotional, heart touching. हमें कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. Okay? खोना पड़ता है. So, that is what pandemic 19 has taught us. We have lost many precious lives, persons. The nature has taught us how to take care of animals, water, environment, climate. Man is only responsible for this pandemic, slaughtering the animals, slaughtering the resources. You know, you are the national assets of Mother India. Prove yourself, put a signature and leave. Okay? Okay? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mama. Before, till the... No, I want to bless the children. Bless the children.
Respected Principal Ma'am, dear staff colleagues, after Principal Ma'am, it is not good, but I can't stay